Hi, and welcome to another edition of the Software Spotlight video series, where we introduce to you a new tool, feature, function, application, software extension, something that's going to enhance your day-to-day digital marketing performance. Okay, so we know that a lot of our watchers out there or viewers out there are small business owners running small to medium companies, or even big companies, right? Perhaps starting new websites within their own suite of domains. And one of the key things to getting a website indexed, recognized, right, included in the search engine index, say for example with Google, is to set up sitemaps. So there's two types of sitemaps. There is the HTML sitemap, the one that you can actually see as a user when you go into the domain, and then you have something called the XML sitemap. So the XML sitemap is largely geared towards helping the search engines to discover your pages. So XML sitemaps has its own structure and format. And for those who are well versed in developing XML sitemaps, right, you can do this actually from scratch, from spreadsheets or Microsoft Excel. But for the majority of the people, especially those that are still learning about digital marketing, XML sitemaps can be a little bit daunting. So today we're going to be introducing to you a tool that actually not only helps you to create this XML sitemap that you can submit to Google, to let them know that these are the pages you want them to find and you want them to crawl. But the best thing is that it is absolutely free, and here we love free things. So having this XML sitemap generator in your arsenal of tools is actually very, very convenient. It allows you to run up to 500 pages on a specific domain, which is pretty decent, and we cover quite a few I guess businesses in that small to medium space already. Okay, cool. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. The website address for this is xmlsitemaps.com. Cool. And first thing you see up is that it'll ask you to enter a website URL to create a sitemap. So what I've chosen as an example one is, so in Sydney there's a very famous cake called the strawberry watermelon cake by Black Star Pastry. So this is the example that I have picked. Love the cake. So it's very simple. You get this website URL, you copy it, and you paste it straight in and press start, and then it starts to actually scan and record all the different pages that are on the site. Okay. Now this process can take a while depending on how many pages there are on your website. So what I've done is actually just quickly went ahead and crawled it in advance, and you would see that at the end of it, this is what it looks like. Okay, so this process took 1 minute and 17 seconds, and 107 pages were scanned. Okay, so once it's complete, what you do is go view sitemap details, and then it will bring up a whole bunch of information, right? So it will tell you, okay, what's next, to download it, to upload it into your domain root folder of your website, which you can get your web developer to help you with, and then to go into Google Search Console and to add your sitemap URL. It also gives you the preview of the different sitemap URLs that are included, right? Now, with the sitemap, there's actually a lot of different elements, like, for example, last modified date and priority date. If you are still learning about the basics of digital marketing and also XML sitemaps, then it is not a big thing for you to go in and change that. However, if you want to take that one step further, right, you can actually open up the XML sitemap file into Excel, and you can actually edit it and then edit the last mod and priority, which we will not go into today. So yeah, so then you got other downloads as well, zip files, and view the XML sitemap, etc. Cool. So really straightforward, right? For most of the viewers, download it straight away, and then get that file, sitemap.xml. So the brackets 1 means that there is a duplicate in my downloads file, so you want to delete that that brackets 1 close brackets. So it's just sitemap.xml, and then get that put onto the domain, the root folder of your domain, and again ask your web developer to help you out, and then get that submitted via Google Search Console, and that completes the submission of an XML sitemap of your current website. So really quite straightforward. Again, great tool, up to 500 pages, absolutely free. It does take a bit of time to run, but this can be done in the background. So switch it on, start on another task, right, and then it'll be done before you know it. Okay, great. Hopefully this is a very interesting and valuable introduction to a tool that you can use going forward. Any comments, feedback, thoughts, please drop it down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.